Shalom and welcome to Tour for the Nations, and my Bubbi lives in Israel. I'm sitting outside in my sukkah. Right outside our apartment we have this little hut put up, and so I just wanted to show you, if you come to Israel this time of year, what you'll see. Right now you're probably going to hear lots of music and noises in the neighborhood, but I took a little walk and I videoed some sukkahs in our neighborhood. So I wanted you to see kind of the way they look on the outside, and then I have some pictures of what goes on inside. We eat together, we play music, we celebrated a friend's 50th wedding anniversary the other night. So we just do, it's just such a time of joy. So there's like 22 days in the fall where we just go from one thing to the next. We had Rosh Hashanah, then we had Yom Kippur, now we're in the 7 days of Sukkot. The kids are off from school, so it's just a very, very festive time to come. So enjoy the pictures, and I'll ask a few questions to the kids. So when we have Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur and Sukkot, is it in the spring or the fall? And how many days do we sit in the sukkah? 2 or 7? Okay, and is Sukkot a time for dressing up in costumes or for visiting each other and having lots of joy? Okay, can't wait for you to come. Shalom from Israel.